I have them. Check, check, one. Check, check, two. 4, 5, 6. Somebody's there.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Dipanvita Mehta from Varanasi.
Okay, Dipanvita, can I see you? Like, it has to be a one-to-one with camera, right?
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, hello.
Yes, that's more like it. So, how are
Good
you?
afternoon. I'm fine. How are you? Good afternoon.
I'm good. Can you keep the camera somewhere? If you will keep it hold it like this, you'll be very uncomfortable.
Actually, you have told me within 5 minutes, no? So that's what I can do in
Okay.
5 minutes. Yeah.
Can you sit somewhere? आप बैठ जाइए आराम से और उसके बाद किसी कप या ग्लास पे आप मोबाइल दिखा दीजिए ऐसे.
No,
It's
no,
okay.
I have got a mobile stand, but I have to arrange for that. I got it.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Don't worry.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just put the video off and then
Okay.
I'm again.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah. Chanu, give me the mobile stand, please. There, beta, there. Behind the pillow. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. No. Got it. Hello. Nice. Okay.
Yes, yes, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
आपका चेहरा आधा दिखाई पड़ रहा है इसको नीचे. Yes. It's a very nice and cozy place you have.
Yeah. It's my son's room.
Very nice, very nice. Your son is lucky.
Yeah. I
never
don't
had
know.
a room. I never
If
had
you
a
will
room.
ask him, then he will never say, yeah, I am lucky.
No, no. It is my feeling. It cannot be his feeling. Feelings are
Yeah.
different. Okay, so you are Dipanvita, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're from Varanasi?
Yeah, I am from Varanasi. Actually, I am from Durgapur, West Bengal. And I am just staying here. Yeah, it's long days now. I'm married to my, yeah, after marriage, I shifted here. Before marriage also, when I used to study MBA, then in Varanasi only I used to stay.
Okay, so where are you staying in Varanasi?
I got my MBA degree from MGKP, Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapit. From that hostel, there the hostel I used to stay over there. And now I am staying at Nati Imli. If you know the area, Nati Imli, near Bharat Milap Maidan. Are you from Varanasi itself?
Yes.
Okay,
In Varanasi.
yeah. And you are from which area?
I am from Lanka BHU.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Very nice to meet you. So, Dipanvita, first things first, like why do you want to teach? And I am a very small startup. Why you are keen working with us?
See, I don't know about your setup. Okay, that I am totally unaware about it. The thing is that I am in teaching this teaching profession since 2003. Actually, I wanted to do something in MBA, means after management. But after my marriage, when I came to Varanasi, there I haven't found any scope regarding that. So after looking after my family, you can't do anything in MBA in
I understand.
management. Yeah, the time you need to give them the time. That time you can't afford to give.
Sure,
So I
sure.
decided, means you can't stay at home after doing so much thing. So I decided why not for teaching profession.
For
Then
sure.
when I went for that, actually in the previous years, my husband took me to Ganesh Shishu Sadan. If you know the name, I don't know. This is a very means not so popular school, but in Pakke Mahal they used to say, and there's a good school. So there I went, and there I used to teach maths. So from there, I
Okay.
got my students, and it's a very nice setup. I got my friends, students. I got it good, and then I got my B.Ed degree also from IGNOU. I decided ki why not
Nice.
to do the B.Ed, yeah. And then I joined after my son's birth when he is, I think he was 3 years old. I joined Aryan International School and Varanasi, one of the best school now. They have got the name, and I quit from there. I resigned from there in 2019 due to my father-in-law's ill health. So I have to look after the family. That's why. So now I'm got very frustrated sitting at home. I need something to indulge me into. I need
I
something to get involved. Your ad has been sent to me by my student, a very dear student of mine. So I told her, Beta, I am now in maths. I am teaching maths in 2003. So why English? So she said, ma'am, you are so good in English and you always teach us English. So why not? You again get a try. You are a teacher. You can teach any subject.
Who's that student, by the way?
Aparna Sharma. Aparna Sharma.
Aparna Sharma. Okay.
Yeah. I think she
Okay.
used to
Yes.
take
Yes. Yes.
training from you in CAT. She has written
Yes. Yes.
CAT, MBA training. Yeah.
For sure. Very nice to
Hmm.
know about you. So I think you have already worked for Vineet Chopra in Aryans. I know him
Yeah.
somehow. Yes. I don't like his wife though, but again, it's okay. I understand. And
Mutual feeling.
yes.
But actually, Subina ma'am, she used to love me a lot. Means
Mhm.
I don't know why. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
she is like that. I admit it. And
Yes,
everybody
yes,
is
yes.
same. But she has given me many scope. Means
I
it
understand.
is her only who has arranged from 9 a.m. Is my school timing was 9 to 1 exclusively for me.
I understand.
So this is the good part of her. Yeah,
Oh,
Vinit Chopra is far better all way, means every way you can say. Yeah, and if
nice,
you will
nice.
tell my son's name to him, he will recognize. Sriyansh is a well-known name to him. But now
Okay,
Sriyansh also left the school. I also left the school. Sriyansh is in Sunbeam Bhagwanpur now.
okay, very nice.
Yeah,
So what I was asking is that first things first, I'll introduce a bit about my startup, what we do,
yeah,
how
sure. Yeah.
there is a very interesting book coming up about our startup, and we have a small entry in that book. Very popular book is about to be written. It is about to be
Okay.
published. It is already in the Amazon publishing states. So now
Okay.
we began in the year 2018,
Acha.
and I was working with Tata Communications, and
Acha.
then before that I was working with Byju's, and
Okay.
I was heading the academic delivery wing.
Mm-hmm.
Before working with Byju's, I was working with Oyo Rooms. I was heading the state as profit and loss head. And
Okay.
before working with Oyo Rooms, I was working with ExxonMobil India Limited. It is the world's largest company of paints and manufacturing.
Okay.
was the North Delhi head for that. Before working with ExxonMobil, I was working with Vodafone. I served there for 3 years as enterprise head.
Ah,
Varanasi, Kanpur, Allahabad, Bahrain, Basti, Mau, these were my territories. I traveled
okay.
UP extensively. Before working with Vodafone, the first priority job I had in the corporate was Educom Solutions Limited.
Okay,
So,
okay, got it.
so Vineet
We
Chopra,
also have Educom in our school. Yeah.
you
I,
had is always
yeah.
past tense now.
No, no,
So
we
yes,
had
yes,
Educom. Now there is no Educom. They have
very,
started Edu right now.
yes. So it is
Educom,
all,
I think the name of the sir was Ashutosh.
yes,
Um,
yes, yes, yes.
Ashutosh sir was there. Yeah.
Yes, so Ashutosh has left now, and Ashutosh is working somewhere else. So my
Mm.
job was to conduct the training for Educom Solutions, and it was a very bad company. I didn't like it. So another company has shut down because the company was a very
Had you
fraudulent
been
company.
to Had you been to Aryan also during those days?
Yes, yes, yes. I remember.
Okay.
2012,
Hmm. Yeah,
12,
I was there. I
12,
was there.
12 and 11. I had taken a workshop also on vocabulary, if you recall.
So maybe we will not recognize each other, but we need to attend that workshop.
Never mind, never mind.
Uh,
So that was my job, and then
mm,
from there it's all sorted. And
yeah.
the food in Aryans was very tasty. I remember that. So then this is my experience. So after working with Tatas, I was done for the day, and I realized that I cannot do the job. So I thought of teaching. Since last 12 years, while I was working with the corporate, I was also teaching for GMAT, GRE, and SAT. The premium
Okay.
test for which from which
Yeah.
you qualify and you go to
Oh,
abroad.
I got it. I got it.
Yes. So my wife and I, after I got married, my wife and I, we actively involved ourselves in the startup, and there
Okay.
we realized that we have a lot to do in our mind. So first
Mm,
we had a setup, we started teaching, we had some leads, and then I
mm,
extensively traveled to all the states to collect data and students. So now, since the world has moved to online, we were doing online since last 5 years almost. हम लोग 5 साल से
okay.
कर रहे हैं almost online. मैं
Okay.
पहले से पढ़ा रहा था, 2018 से मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लास शुरू किया, अब तो 5 साल
Mm-hmm.
होने को आ रहा है next year. So now,
Okay.
what I realized is that we are doing fine now. After coronavirus attack, the pandemic had happened, we have totally shifted to an online platform. The online
Okay.
has helped us in many ways. Like we are saving on infrastructure. ऑफिस का खर्चा नहीं है हमारे पास, ऑफिस बॉय नहीं करना पड़ता है, काउंसलर हम
Mm-hmm.
लोग खुद से बन जाते हैं, काउंसलर्स का. So now I have an army of teachers. Like there are 7 to 8 people in my team. They are veterans in their
Okay.
field. One is a
Yeah.
grammar expert, one is a vocabulary expert,
Okay.
and we have clients from all the states of the country.
You are dealing in English only.
We have some premium courses as spoken English, number one. Number two is
Okay.
IELTS and TOEFL. Number three is
Okay.
personality development, where you only play, we don't teach many things. Number
Mm-hmm.
four is the GRE, GMAT, and SAT. So
Okay.
there are some products like which are required to have the veteran teachers. Like for that, you have to have very high experience in teaching. So as of now, I'm looking a person who can help me with my spoken English vertical.
Yeah.
And for that, I want a person who's thorough with subject knowledge. So this is what
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for. So a person like you, definitely with a lot of experience and confidence, can definitely take on my business. And now this is all about us. I am a
Yeah.
graduate in literature from Lucknow University, all right, and
Okay.
a master's in linguistics from BHU. So
Okay.
that's all my qualification. And I
Yes.
love playing basketball. I love reading books. This is my
Okay.
studio where I sit right now. From here I teach. All right.
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
all about me and my startup. And since
Mm-hmm.
last 5 years, we have taught more than 1,000 students, I guess. And
Okay.
in last 10 years, from the perspective of CAD and GMAT, I have taught more than 1 lakh students. So
Okay.
now I am looking forward to expand my team. And team is fantastic. Like if you go through
Mm-hmm.
our channel, I
Yeah.
have just, while talking to you,
Hmm.
I have just shared, just a second. I have just shared the link of my channel with you.
Okay. Yeah.
I've
Yeah.
already shared with you, right? So
Okay.
once, yes,
I will
Aram sir,
definitely go through it. Yeah. And
sure.
I will,
So you
yeah,
go
give
through
you
it,
the
see what
feedback.
we are doing.
Got it.
Our channel is also on the brink of monetization. We are also looking
Okay.
forward to monetize, and we are having more teachers so they can give more lectures and they can earn vis-a-vis.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's all about us. And how do we earn? We have leads coming in, we convert the leads, we counsel them, and then we give it to you. So like a halwai, Dipanvita, I procure the raw material.
Mm-hmm.
Raw material in my case, students. I
Yeah.
ask them fee, I take the fee, I give
Mm-hmm.
them to you, you prepare them, and I give you a salary. As simple as
Okay.
it is, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Since we are a very new venture, so I'm not paying much right now. But yes, on a part-time basis, I'm paying you very good. So I require services not more than 3 to 4 hours per day.
Okay.
We don't work on Saturday and Sunday. This is my thumb rule.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm the coolest academic person. I don't like to work. Saturday is my day, Sunday is my day, and my teachers, they have all the rights to enjoy.
Mm-hmm.
We work Monday to Friday. We work our ass off from Monday to Friday. And that is
Okay.
again, a part-time is like 3 to 4 hours. Some
Okay.
days 3, some days 4. For a part-time assignment basis, it's a fixed salary. Even if you take some days leave, I don't deduct salary. This is the thumb rule we
Okay.
have. We give
Yeah.
salary by maximum 1st till 3rd of the next month. What I'm paying right now is 10,000 rupees for a 3 2
Okay.
hours job per day, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
This is the only
Okay.
thing I have to offer. All
Okay.
right.
Mm.
Plus, sometimes you're supposed to take demo also. Like sometimes
Okay.
demo is half an hour. Like somebody
Okay.
new comes and बहुत से parents very demanding होते हैं. So they say कि हमें demo चाहिए. अब demo में क्या है कि हम लोग ना मतलब see I'll be very honest with you, Deepamrita. I'll not be
Yeah, sure.
a teacher with you because right now I'm playing the role of a teacher, and more
Yeah.
than that, I'm playing the role of an academician who has business acumen. So
Okay.
I'll be talking money with you. I'll not talk academics, motivational. No, my interest only is to earn money, to help you with better quality of life, and to give you a better motive. बच्चे मेरे यहाँ बहुत अच्छे हैं. बच्चे हर तरह के आते हैं. मतलब मेरे यहाँ सीधे से लेकर बदमाश, गुंडा, सब तरह का बच्चा आता है. तो मेरा काम ये है कि पहले I become the face of the company. So becoming the face of the company is challenging stuff. But then again, after I have become the face, I have already faced the music. I drop it down to you, and you are supposed to run the grind for me.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right. And yes, there are, apart from salaries, there are incentives involved. If you convert demo, so that will be again incentive. Flat 5% incentive goes to your pocket. Whatever I charge, let's suppose मेरा फीस जो है 5,000 रुपया है. 5,000 का 10% है 250 रुपया. अगर एक महीने में आपने 10 बच्चे भी कन्वर्ट कर लिए तो वो एक्स्ट्रा मनी आपके पास जाएगा. All right. I'll give you at least 20 demos in a month. Some I'll convert, some you convert. All right. If you convert any demo, 5% of the flat fees goes to your pocket. And if there's a big discount, like there's a big team, like there are 3 to 4 admissions, in that case, we can have 10% also. That's how I keep you, under motivation of money. Only one thing motivates me, that is money. Money is my only motivation, right? And I'm earning because I have acquired skills within time. So I have given 10, 12 years to my skill set. So I'm earning very well. That's true. Like you follow skills first and then you follow money, money follows you. That's all about me. My students, they vary from Chandigarh to Gurgaon, smartest schools in the country, like Aryan stands nowhere. Even the school I have gone through, like the best school in Lucknow, St. Francis and La Martiniers, they stand nowhere. Like the best schools are in Bangalore, the best schools are in Ranchi, best schools are in Bihar as well. So from the educated hubs, I have best schools. Sometimes I even have the teachers from the best schools. Like for example, we have a lady who's a doctor in literature, and she knows very well, like she speaks very well. But the thing is, she has less of confidence. Sometimes you're supposed to teach some people also. So it's a very challenging job. पानी एक challenge ये है नौकरी में कि भाई, just a second, it's a call.
Sure.
Money. Hello. Okay, sorry, somebody just an inquiry called. You have been lucky for me. Like I was expecting some money, and I am talking to you, and money is here. So you are lucky for us. All right. Anyways, so that's all. हाँ, तो मैं आपको बता रहा था कि मेरे यहाँ चैलेंज ये है कि मुझे आपका जो पार्टिसिपेशन है, आपका जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट है अपने साथ, मुझे वो बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए नहीं चाहिए. बच्चों को बहुत पढ़ा लिया आपने, स्कूल में रही हैं आप, you have spent nearly 10 years in school, you have taught maths, English. This is not the thing I really want from you. बच्चों को मैं पढ़ा लेता हूँ, बच्चों के लिए टीम है मेरे पास, 3-4 टीचर भी काम. I have had the best school teacher from CMS, Lucknow and Kanpur. They're doing fine.
Yeah.
I want, like a person like you, when I talking to you, I feel that you are a mature lady. And what's your age, by the way?
That should not be asked, no?
No, I am asking you.
The lady should not be asked her age.
No. This is again old school thought hai. Old school thought hai.
For a lady, it is always a modern thought, sir. And I am 45 plus.
That's what I know why I asked your age. I'm sorry
Yeah.
if you had a mind in that. I asked you because I really wanted to ask you because I realized a person like your age can handle person of any age. That is why I asked. So because my teachers are young, the highest age we have in the team is 38, and
Yeah.
they're doing fine. They're doing fine for school kids. But a person like you who comes with age and experience, and you already speak a lot, you speak nicely. I see you talking to the elderlies. मेरे पास जो बैच में चाह रहा हूँ उसको आप पढ़ाएं, वो हैं जिनकी एज खुद 35 है.
Okay.
एक गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है, नोएडा से है. एक मार्केटिंग प्रोफेशनल है, शी 50 years of age.
Okay.
Right? She likes me personally. I have a very good rapport with her. Then there is a marketing professional from Chandigarh. Then
Okay.
there is a chemical laboratory expert. ये सब कनेक्ट करते हैं शाम को 8:30 बजे वाली क्लास में.
Okay.
इनके ऊपर चढ़ के पढ़ाना है. Like you have to be a guru who's above them. Like they are very like expertise in their field, but they're not as excellent as we are while communicating.
Okay.
All they seek is confidence. All they see is the sparkling in my eye. I'm talking to you right now. All they want is this glowy face. This is what they want to be like, and you have to match the level. You have to beat them in this, and you have to make them a wow feeling. कि मजा आ गया. But Department, the mode of communication is bilingual, so you have to be excellent in Hindi as well as English. This is what I want.
Yeah.
And what do? We don't teach grammar every day. I have a grammar expert. We
Yeah.
don't teach vocabulary. I'm a vocabulary expert. We don't teach critical reasoning, reading passage. We have a teacher for that. Person like you, I want to give them a wow feeling. Make them do something like the activity part. Make them engage in an activity, make them laugh, teach them, give them a lesson. Sometimes maybe you read a story for them. And sometimes if you want to correct the grammar, make them speak more, like have an extempore, have an impromptu exercise. These are the activities I want from a person like you. So there I see you fitting in my case. This is what I like to do. All right. Do you like the story now? This is the thing we actually do. Where you involve them in communication skills, you talk to them. But then again, it's a challenge because they are already people who are of age, who come with age.
Yeah, first they are matured, they are aged. So you can't make them learn anything. Then they
Yes.
will not accept it, or they will not want to learn. They will not desire.
तो मैं आपको first अगर demo देता भी हूँ तो I'll give you first demo. And in the first demo, you have to just introduce yourself. Like you have to learn from them in the first demo. All right. And then once they like you, like they'll always like you because they are poor liberal mindset. That is why I'm asking. And trust me, if you ask the age, they'll not mind. All right, for sure. I'm telling you for honestly. And they all are very modern. They are ahead of us. Sometimes I feel they are ahead of us also because they are skilled. They are in Noida, they're in Chandigarh, Punjab. Very nice audience to interact. So this is where I see you. That will be all from my side. And yes, if you do well, we can definitely give you a chance to uplift yourself. And once you start taking the business role, I don't think you'll have to work in a school again. My teachers are earning 40,000 rupees, 50K as salaries. And it has been possible after 3 to 4 years. But they have involved themselves in a business role. अगर आपको interest है कि आपको और बढ़ के काम करना है आगे, in that case, you involve yourself in business. So where I want that I am counseling, I'm wasting my time. I don't want that. I want you to take the burden. You counsel. I get the child. I get the number. I give it to you. You counsel, give it to us, and then you also teach. So that's a business role you are involved in. और कहीं ना जाना है ना कहीं आपको आना है अपने घर से काम. सीधी सी बात. This is what I am offering.
Okay.
Any questions you have?
I'm just thinking on that. The things are good. The startup, I am liking it. The thing is that I am I am an English honors from West Bengal, but I didn't like that subject very much when I studied that time because I was for J I was then that time giving a joint entrance in our West Bengal. That is same as your JEE here for medical, but I didn't succeed in that. That's why I have to come to this field because my guru used to say that your English is very good, so you go for journalism. My father said no, and then I did MBA. That is the story of mine. So I don't know.
Is this your dog or who is this? Like,
this is my dog. See?
My goodness.
He will always come here and stand here.
Teddy bear hai. I thought teddy bear hai.
No.
My goodness. And where is he looking? कहाँ देख रहा है ये?
He's looking outside. Yeah, he's looking outside. See. Leo?
My goodness.
Leo? Yeah.
Hello.
Leo?
I thought it's a stuffed toy.
No, every time whenever I be here, na, so I take some tuition classes also.
Goodness.
Actually, see, the pronunciation of tuition is tuition.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
since childhood, you always do tuition. So we used to do the mistakes only. There are so many pronunciation. I always check on that. I used to say. Now we realize that the pronunciation of poem is poem.
Form. Yes, yes,
But
yes.
it's so tough for us to do it like poem
I understand. I
because
understand.
we always used to say poem. And my
Okay.
son is very good in English.
अच्छा,
So
one more question I have.
yeah,
ये SAT का मेरे पास बच्चा आता है तो क्या मैथ्स पढ़ा सकती हैं आप? Do you teach maths?
see, I am very good up to class 10 math.
No,
11, 12
higher,
में I
higher
got
maths.
it university. हाँ, higher math नहीं ना
नहीं पढ़ा सकती हैं आप. चलिए
ना
ठीक है.
ना 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 मैं उतनी
Actually
कॉन्फिडेंट
मेरे
नहीं हूँ.
पास SAT का ब्रैकेट बड़ा हाई है ना, उसमें सैलरी में आपको ज्यादा ऑफर कर सकता हूँ. Like if you take up SAT with me, I can definitely pay you a monthly salary of at least 25,000-30,000 rupees. Because in that we require more help with the mathematic part. ठीक है. So Deepamika,
I'm getting you, but the thing is that na कि I'm not so confident. I am confident up to class 10. Anything you say, I can teach them anytime. I have no problem. I love maths. But that part, na, I am not so confident. And when I'm not confident, I never go for that.
what time you are free?
Uh, what time you want me to get free?
Oh, that is secondary. First, you let me know what time you are available. Then I will decide that.
See,
How can I fix you?
yeah. Then I will think on that. I will say I have to do some part. Means I am free in the afternoon. I do free in the evening also. My husband is in business. He is
Okay.
also an MBA. We have our family business of whole sari. We are wholesalers of Banarsi saris and fancy dress material. So he is in that. Okay, my son is in class 10. So I have to look after him also. Taking everything, I will make myself free for 3
ठीक
to
है
4
तो
hours. So you just tell me the time, then I can tell you. In the
I'll
evening
get
also I'll get free.
ठीक
I
है
am free.
I'll get back to you on this and I'll stay in touch with you. Very soon
Yeah.
I'll be getting you on board. That's right. And if things
Yeah,
are
no
fine,
problem.
and then we'll see if we match the time, right?
Yeah. We have to see. Means you just tell me, then I will see. I am free in the afternoon hours and in the evening hours.
Sure.
Okay. So I
Very
can make
nice
it.
talking to
If
you.
the thing is that I can make it anytime, no problem. The second thing is, you are saying that the salary will be 10,000 per month, no? It is per month only. Means it's not based on anything that you will do this and then you will get nothing like that, na?
3 to 4 hours per day काम करना है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
कभी 3
No
hours है,
problem.
कभी 4 hours है. मतलब
हाँ.
ये है कि समझ लीजिए हफ्ते में you consider it 4 hours, but it varies. Sometimes it is above 4 hours. You have to take half an hour demo, but that will be a paid one. If you convert, it will be paid one.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it.
The thing which I like most is the Monday to Friday working hours.
बस.
That I like the most. तो वो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा lucrative लगा आपके इसमें. और ये नया स्टार्टअप है, उसमें मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर चीजें अच्छी हो जाती है तो मुझे नया पुराने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और सेकंड थिंग है, मैं कितना आपके लिए यूजफुल हो सकती हूँ, बिकॉज मेरे लिए ये चीज मैंने किया हुआ है पहले. Before my marriage, I used to work at AICT, and before that, I used to work for British Institute. They are also the same. They used to do the spoken English part, and I was the spoken English teacher for the elderly people only.
Nice.
That time also. Yeah. So
one thing which I want to share about. One thing I'll interrupt you here. Sorry for interrupting you here. एक ड्रॉबैक है मेरे क्लासरूम का. मतलब हम लोग थोड़ा सा we are finicky about the feedback.
Yeah.
We are like obsessed about the feedback.
Yeah.
So we after every classroom or 2 days we take a feedback. If the feedback is not good for a very long time, then we'll ask you to leave. This is a very fair practice we have.
Yeah.
Only drawback. And sometimes teachers are not convinced कि मैं कैसे खराब पढ़ा सकती हूँ. Actually वो टीचर खराब नहीं होते, लेकिन वही है ना कि बिजनेस रन करना है तो गलती हम लोग की. हम लोग टीचर को देखते नहीं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है टीचर को भी अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना पड़ेगा. अभी टीचर इतना भरा हुआ है नॉलेज से, इसको कहना बहुत मुश्किल है. मतलब वो सुनता भी नहीं है. दिक्कत मैं बहुत सारे आई इंटरेक्ट विद, सो आई नो like they are so full of knowledge and they have been so suppressed in their school life that they are now full of hatred that you cannot teach me anything. That is a problem I have gone through. So see, we are very obsessed about feedback. I am very lenient. Even if you don't take, like you don't teach us for 2 days or 3 days, I'll not deduct any salary. Salary is still fixed. If you take a 1 week leave, of course I'll have to deduct salary. But then again, like I am okay if you take a 1 day leave, 2 day leave, because Saturday Sunday is also there's no leave. But still because I emergency होता है, हर एक कहीं जाना है, पार्टी में जाना है, टाइम नहीं है. और ये 4 घंटा एक बार में नहीं, कभी सुबह है, कभी शाम है. आज
वो
2 घंटा मॉर्निंग में है, 1 घंटा शाम को है, शाम को डेमो भी है उसके बाद. इसमें थकना नहीं है. Like you cannot get tired. You cannot say, sir, I am tired, I am very lazy. So this is what I don't like. Number 3 is that टाइमिंग का बहुत पर्टिकुलर हूँ मैं. लाइक अगर टाइम दिया है 8 बजे क्लास शुरू होनी है तो आपको 7:55 पे लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा, 5 minutes earlier. Many teachers they tend to get lazy. सर 8 बजे क्लास तो 8:10 पे लिंक भेज रहे हैं, वो चलेगा नहीं, यहाँ चल नहीं पाएगा वो चीज. And I keep a very good track of whatever is happening. I just use my app. I can track anything immediately.
मैं ये चीज आपका समझ गई थी, इसलिए आई गॉट इट. बिकॉज आप जैसे 5 मिनट्स में हम मीटिंग करेंगे या 15 मिनट्स में हम कॉल करते हैं, तो उसपे हमने देखा कि मुझे लगा कि आप चेक कर रहे हो कि आप कितने पंक्चुअल हो, आप टाइम में आ रहे हो कि नहीं. मुझे ये चीज लगा. आप 5 मिनट्स में रेडी हो सकते थे, मैं आज रेडी नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल. तो एक लेडी का क्या होता है कि मैं आपका चेहरा दिखाऊं कि नहीं, इंटरव्यू है, तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ी सी हेजिटेट थी. फिर मुझे कुछ लगा नहीं. हाँ,
everybody has a nature and we cannot change that. It is we have to adapt na? That is why. So I am okay with your behavior, but I have to put my things very clearly right now. The business. So I believe saying in everything, I want to say everything clearly. Yes, I will always share my clients' contact with you. In the past, it has happened that I share my clients' contact with the teachers, and teachers they misuse it. Like sometimes I have a younger teacher. I'm just giving example to you. So younger, abhi just last week it happened. A younger teacher was there in our team. His name is Deepak, and I give him my contact. The client is also young. She's a female. This is the client who's a young male, and they start talking personally, and then there is a outburst or after some time. Then the lady complains he is sending me some messages. Sometimes I have seen people, they are finishing one lecture with us and they have already charged from the client another set of money and they are teaching them again. This happens in the business. So this is what I want. I want to be loyal with us. If you want more money, more help from our side, we can give you more opportunities. But I will never want my teacher to choose unfair means to earn money. You cannot make your own business from my business. That is the thing I don't like. Baki, everything is fair. You be fair. Salary is dropped in your account by the first 3 days next month. And if you want an advance, we help you advance. We have fair means. But don't cheat us, don't trick us, and be fair with the timing. That will be it for us, right? So very soon I'll be giving you a demo.
सर मुझे बस ये है कि कंटिन्यूअस 3 to 4 आवर्स मत रखिएगा, उसको थोड़ा सा डिवाइड कर लीजिएगा. बाकी मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. या मैं सिंसियर हूँ और मुझे ट्रिक्स आते नहीं है, तो मैं भी
थोड़ा सा बस 5 मिनट्स का हम लोग इंटरव्यू कर लेते हैं. जस्ट वांट टू चेक ऑन योर स्किल्स फर्स्ट. लेट्स आस्क सम जनरल क्वेश्चंस. क्लाइंट बहुत ही बदतमीज है, बच्चा है, बदतमीजी कर रहा है आपसे और वीडियो कॉल बंद करके भाग जा रहा है, क्या करना चाहिए?
देखिए, ऐसा जो बच्चे हैं ना, मैं बहुत सारा टैकल कर चुकी हूँ. छोटे बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं.
क्या करना चाहिए? आप मुझे इतना बताइए, आप करेंगे क्या वो
मैं मेरा जो ये है, मैं उसको बार बार मोटिवेट करने की कोशिश करूंगी.
नहीं हो रहा है मोटिवेट, नहीं हो रहा मोटिवेट, भाग जा रहा है.
ओके, ठीक है, तो मैं ऐसा कुछ एक्टिविटी दूंगी, कुछ तो उसका वीकनेस होगा ना, तो मैं ऐसे
ऑफ करके भाग जा रहा है बच्चा और खाली माइक से बोल रहा है, क्या करेंगे?
तो मैं जो है उसको बोलूंगी, कुछ ऐसा बोलूंगी कि वो वीडियो ऑन करे.
क्या बोलेंगे?
कि आपका चेहरा आज क्या, कौन सा टी शर्ट पहने हो, क्या लग रहे हो, अच्छा ये बताओ तो तुम्हारा ये तुमने कुछ मुंह में लगाया था क्या? तुमने जब पहली बार मुझे वीडियो दिखाया था तो मुझे लगा तुम्हारे पीछे कुछ है या तुम्हारे मुंह पे कुछ है. ये सब मैं कैसे बोलूं? मैं कोशिश कर.
क्या है नहीं सुन रहा? लास्ट रिजॉर्ट क्या है नहीं सुन रहा? तो
अच्छा, वो अगर लास्ट में भी नहीं सुन रहा है, देखिए मैं अपना इसी तरह कोशिश कर सकती हूँ. फिर मैं क्या करूंगी, आपसे हेल्प मांगूंगी कि सर ऐसा ऐसा है, ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो इस बच्चे के संग क्या किया जाए. ये
ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. There is a male on the other side. He is a client. He is trying to have fun with you. You are a female teacher.
Yeah.
How will you handle the case? On WhatsApp, he is trying to message you personally. What will you do?
I will block his contact first, because if he is making fun with me, if he will be the client also, और अगर वो बदतमीज है, किसी तरह वो आउट ऑफ द लाइन जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो सर मैं आपके बिजनेस के लिए भी उनको टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
नेक्स्ट डे उसको लिंक भेजना है, जूम क्लास है उसके नेक्स्ट डे, क्या किया जाए?
एज अ टीचर हम उसको लिंक भेजेंगे, मैं उसके साथ एज अ टीचर रहूंगी. पर एज अ फीमेल अगर वो मेरे साथ बदतमीजी कर रहा है तो मैं उसको बिल्कुल भी आगे नहीं बढ़ा पाऊंगी, मैं तुरंत ही उसको ब्लॉक करूंगी क्योंकि मैं उसको कुछ गलत बोल नहीं सकती। तो आपके फिर ये होगा, मैं ब्लॉक कर दूंगी, अगर उससे आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी तो मैं हट जाऊंगी।
चलिए नेक्स्ट लेट्स हैव अ सब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट. So do you have paper and pen ready with you?
नो आई डोंट हैव वन
Okay, leave it,
सेकंड।
leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it.
या
Just
या
listen to me.
हाँ
It's a
हाँ
verbal test. Let's have
या
some question answer round. It's all about
या
subjective knowledge you have.
या
Give me one example of past continuous tense. Fatafat.
past continuous tense, I was coming to that market while I
Excellent.
seeing yeah yeah
Give me an example of future continuous.
will have been means Priyansh will have been going to that market next day.
Will have been
That
gone or
time when
will have been going?
yeah will have been going, sir. Had gone, have been going. Whenever there is been, there is going.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
What is the basic difference between venom and poison?
Venom and poison.
Venom, venom nahi, venom.
Yeah, got it. VENOM, no? Venom. Yeah.
Venom.
What? VENOM.
Pronunciation, venom.
Venom.
That's right.
Yeah. Venom and poison. I'm sorry, I don't know. Lethal poison is called venom, or the poison of the snake only is called venom. I'm sorry, I don't know it.
Well tried. Never mind. What is the
Yeah.
basic difference between driving and riding?
What?
Driving and riding.
Riding is on horse, and driving is any vehicle you drive. That is driving.
How about bike and scooty?
We can ride bicycle and scooty also.
Difference क्या है?
Okay. Is it driving concerned with the wheel? And riding is.
You are asking me. I am asking you. Why are you asking me?
No, I don't know the difference. I told na ki riding means we used to ride on horse, ride bicycles and scooty, and but we used to drive cars.
In a hurry. Why do I feel you are in a hurry to answer the question? Why are you in a hurry to answer the question?
No, I am not.
Relax. आप जल्दी में हैं. आप question सुनते ही answer करती हैं. रुकिए पहले.
अच्छा, sorry. Yeah.
Breathe करिए. हाँ, relax. My question is, I am not looking for the definitely. I'm looking. आपने example दिया. मैं difference पूछ रहा हूँ. आप question समझिए. आपसे example नहीं मांगा मैंने. मैं जान रहा हूँ example correct है. मैंने difference पूछा है. Difference क्या है? वो बताइए.
Right or driving?
Example सही दिया आपने. You give the correct example. Can you identify the differences?
That's the thing. Is there is some tricky thing that you are asking? That is what I am trying to visualize. Ki what is that thing? Ride means.
Next question करते हैं.
Yeah.
Fill in the blanks है grammar का. The police dash about to come. What do you fill in? Is या are?
Is.
Are. Is नहीं आता करो.
Police are about to come. Okay.
Police is a plural noun. It never takes is. Yes. How do you when do you use I had a dream? Why do you use had two times here? What do they define here?
That is I think it is depicting the wish. Means I had a dream. It is imaginary, and you are wishing, desire. It is expressing the desire. I had a dream. Then
what was my question? Define that. What was the question I asked you?
You asked me why you use I had a dream. What is the implication of that? Two times. Why we are using two times had? Yeah, I had a dream. That means it is saying, I know that, but I can't answer it.
What is the basic difference in these two statements? I had a dream. Martin Luther King ने कहा था कभी अमेरिका में. I had a dream. I had a dream. दोनों में क्या difference?
मैं जानती हूँ पर I can't explain.
कोई बात नहीं. Next question. Translate the following Hindi sentence into English one. काश मैं इस देश का प्रधानमंत्री होता. काश मैं इस देश का
I got it. एक मिनट रुके, मुझे ये पता है. I would no. Oh God, भूल जा रही हूँ. ये मैंने पढ़ाया हुआ इस चीज को और मैंने खुद भी ये किया. I got it. if I were the Prime Minister of India,
I
of this
wish
country.
I were. I wish
I
I
wish
were.
I were. You were.
चलिए चलिए,
Yeah.
good, very nice, very nice.
हम्म।
Uh,
मैं
how
पता
many?
नहीं क्यों भूल जा रही हूँ, मतलब ये
कोई बात
सारी
नहीं,
चीजें मुझे पता है। आई हैड द ड्रीम, दैट आल्सो आई नो। मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रही हूँ आपको।
कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, I understand. मैं बिल्कुल भी I'm just trying to just let you speak about the subject knowledge. But again, the problem I see here that you are in a hurry to answer the question. थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा इसके लिए, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे। आप थोड़ा बहुत फास्ट लग रही है मेरे को, पेस कम करिए अपना, बहुत तेज बोल रही हैं और एक्स्ट्रा बोल रही हैं, उस पर काम करिएगा, बाकी सब बढ़िया है, राइट?
अच्छा।
ठीक है, आई एम फाइन विद योर कैंडिडेचर, आई थिंक यू नो some things. Last two questions we ask. What is abstract noun?
Abstract noun is just, I can't tell you the definition, but it is
Why?
just bravery.
No.
Bravery.
Definition
Then,
चाहिए मेरे को।
अच्छा, definition चाहिए
Yes.
आपको। Noun which qualifies the quality, means it is just
वो तो
like
adjective हो जाएगा, quality is adjective.
नहीं,
Noun क्या होता है?
noun, adjective तो is the quality of a noun, describing the quality of a noun. And abstract noun is the noun which describes the qualities of ours, with characteristics like that. You can say bravery. That is an that is not.
That is noun, but it is not the way you define it.
Okay.
Yes. Abstract word का मतलब क्या होता है बता दीजिए। Abstract क्यों बोलते हैं इसको? क्या होता क्या? What is abstract? Abstract modern art होती है, abstract paintings होती हैं, abstract thoughts होते हैं, abstract thought turn to reality.
जो भी abstract हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, वो जैसे जो होना चाहिए वो नहीं, out of the box हम बोल सकते हैं abstract. That is something you can't, means noun क्या है? Noun defines anything, any name, any person, place, anything. So that is noun. Noun defines anything. So
adverb क्या होता है?
मैं extra बोल रही हूँ।
Adverb क्या होता है? Adverb क्या होता है?
Adverb which verb is something which is, अगर फिर मैं extra बोल रही हूँ आपको, so sorry, एक मिनट।
तो पॉइंट बात करेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ।
नहीं, एक होना ही चाहिए। एक्चुअली क्या है ना कि मुझे पता नहीं था, तो मैं अभी जो ये सारी चीजें मुझे पता है, और जो डेफिनेशन के लिए आपको एक बार गो थ्रू करना पड़ता है। डेफिनेशन पता नहीं, मुझे एडवर्ब पता है सारा, पर मैं आपको ये पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का एक है, अब उसका जो डेफिनेशन है वो मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं
ठीक है, आप छोड़ दीजिए। आप मैं अभी छोटा बच्चा हूँ, मेरी उम्र जो है कम से कम मान के चलिए 5 साल 6 साल है।
मेरे लिए एक कर पाएंगे अगर ये करे, क्योंकि मैं एक टीचर हूँ ना, तो मैं जब बोल नहीं पाती हूँ मुझे बहुत अजीब सा लो लगता है। तो यही वाला इंटरव्यू आप मेरे लिए, मुझे ये क्वेश्चन मत पूछिए, आप कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछिए, पर मुझे आप 2 दिन का समय दीजिए, या 1 दिन ही दे दीजिए, 1 घंटे का भी समय दे देंगे।
कुछ बोलने जा रहा था, मेरी बात तो सुनिए, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ।
अच्छा बोलिए।
You are getting a little, disturbed. Just relax. I'm helping you out. मुझे बिल्कुल भी अजीब लग नहीं रहा है, मैं तो इनफैक्ट आपको अप्रिशिएट कर रहा हूँ, बट आई थिंक जो थोड़ा आप यू आर एक्साइटेड, just hold your horses. Now I have a last question to you. Just give me a small demo. I'm a 5-year-old child. 5 साल का बच्चा हूँ, मुझे एडजेक्टिव पढ़ा दीजिए बस थोड़ा सा।
श्योर।
हाँ, इतना नहीं,
मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ।
मेरा नाम दीपू है, ठीक है? आप स्टार्ट करिए प्लीज।
हाय दीपू।
हेलो मैम।
वाह बेटा, तुम तो बहुत सुंदर हो। अच्छा, ये जो आई टोल्ड जस्ट नाउ ना, यू आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी हैंडसम। ये जो हैंडसम है, मैंने क्या कहा? आप एक पर्सन हो और आपको मैंने ब्यूटीफुल कहा, फिर आपको मैं बोलूंगी अरे आप तो देखे तो जरा, तुम खड़े हो, तुम लंबे हो। यस, टॉल। ये जो टॉल है, शॉर्ट है, ब्लैक है, व्हाइट है, आप ब्यूटीफुल हो, ये जो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू, वी आर डन, थैंक यू। ठीक है, आई विल गेट बैक टू यू वेरी सून एंड ठीक है, आई थिंक
मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज देखिए, आज जो मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ ना, अगर मैं इंटरव्यू लेती तो मैं आपको नहीं लेती, ठीक है? मुझे काफी सारी चीजें जो है मुझे पता था, मैं आपको बोल नहीं पाई, वो एक्सक्यूज नहीं रन करता है, पर मुझे आपको लगा मुझे आप लीजिए ना लीजिए, मैं आपके पास करूँ ना करूँ वो सेकेंडरी है। फर्स्ट जो है, आपको मेरे लिए थोड़ा टाइम निकालना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपके पास मुझे मेरे स्टूडेंट ने भेजा है, और मैं नहीं चाहती कि उसको फीडबैक ये मिले कि आपके टीचर को अभी कुछ नहीं आता।
ये
ठीक है,
पर्सनल कॉन्वर्सेशन, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि
नहीं
that-
नहीं, आप सुनिए सर प्लीज, मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए आप प्लीज मेरे लिए एक
Okay,
दिन
okay.
और जूम का एक करिए। मुझे आपके सारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है, वो राइट देना है।
चलिए
ये
ठीक है,
मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल दीजिए।
ठीक है, तो मैं
आप कुछ
इसका
भी पूछिएगा, मैं पहले एक बार पढ़ना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं
हाँ,
इंग्लिश से काफी दिन आउट ऑफ टच हूँ। मैं
ठीक है,
मैथ्स लेके ही पढ़ी रहती हूँ, तो मैं
चलिए,
चाहती हूँ उसको करना।
ठीक
ठीक है।
है, तो मैं आपसे I'll get back to you on this and just give me a couple of days, आप मुझे पिंग करिएगा, stay in
हम्म
touch, watch all
हम्म
my videos on YouTube, आपको मेरे चैनल भेजा होगा, चेक कीजिएगा,
हम्म,
I'll
हाँ
get back to you
श्योर।
very soon, right? Very nice talking to you, very positive lady, very full of enthusiasm, energy, and I like the energy you have.
बट
थोड़ा सा
आई डिडंट लाइक द इंटरव्यू, क्योंकि मैं आंसर नहीं कर पाई, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है।
the interviewer is trying to appreciate, you are still being negative about your personality.
नो
आपने
आई एम,
compliment भी नहीं किया,
नहीं,
compliment
मुझे मुझे ये सही करना
आप
है
मुझे
सर।
बुरा लग रहा है, आप अब जो आप बोल
नहीं
रहे हैं,
नहीं,
I'm not liking it right now because I'm appreciating you and you're still not convinced.
you are very positive and you are good, that's why you are appreciating me, otherwise
But
I wasn't
say
good in the
thank you, at
question.
least say thank you, and then we can talk.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's why I am
I'll get back to
requesting
you.
you. Yeah,
I'll get back
sure.
to you. Thank you.
Okay,
Have a
thank
nice
you
day.
so much,
Take care.
Thank